Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 1040x details using IRS e-file tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your 1040x details using IRS e-file tools, start by accessing the IRS e-file website. Log into your e-file account with your user credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section dedicated to amended returns. Select the option for Form 1040x from the list provided. Ensure you have your original tax return on hand for reference. Enter the necessary information from your original Form 1040 into the designated fields. Carefully input any changes that you need to make on the 1040x. Double-check that all figures are accurate to avoid processing delays. If applicable, include any supporting documentation to justify the amendments. Once you've completed entering all details, review the entire form for correctness. Look for any error messages or prompts generated by the e-file tool. If corrections are needed, follow the prompts to make necessary adjustments. After confirming everything is correct, proceed to the submission step. Choose your preferred method of electronic filing from the available options. Submit your amended return through the e-file system. Keep a record of your confirmation number for future reference. Monitor your submission status through your e-file account dashboard. Be sure to check for any notifications from the IRS regarding your 1040x. Follow any additional instructions provided by the IRS if required. This process ensures that your amended return is filed accurately and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.